This guy uses a wide-sized rubber spatula to easily replenish wall pillar in a matter of minutes. This guy teaches us how properly cover the small holes with this kind of method. This guy uses an automatic tape filler to seal the side of the wall in the easiest way. Using a steel spatula with a quick dry fatty, this guy easily covers the screws in a rapid pace. This guy uses a piece of wood as a pattern to make a hole and replenishes it with the wall filler in the end. This guy uses a steel putty knife to easily install wallpaper in a fast procedure. This guy uses a piece of plastic spatula with a sharp blade to easily flatten the wallpaper in the socket area. Using a 2-inch paintbrush, this guy carefully paints the wall in a furrow level. This guy uses a piece of wood as a pattern and applied with a spray gun, give a stunning and elegant wall design. This guy uses a spoon that gives a stunning wall design, yet simple but irresistible. Using a bucket full of wall filler, this guy easily applies the filler with his easy technique. This guy easily applied wall paint with the use of cable harness for their safety. Using soft silky cement, this guy carefully puddles the cement and creates a stunning wall design. This guy uses sandpaper attached to a portable drill to have more smooth finish result. This guy uses a spanning metal tool that creates an elegant design for the wall. This guy carefully smoothened the wet cement with a circular metal bar that replenishes the cement bowl. A wet sponge with emulsion paint carefully smoothens the wall with an elegant result. This guy uses a power drill to make a hole in a concrete layer machine for an easy layout lining. This guy uses a motor hopper sprayer that's easily put the cement in the wall. This an automatic plaster machine that smoothens the wall in just a matter of minutes. A small piece of plywood helps this guy to have a smooth finish paintwork. This guy uses a paint sandblaster, easily apply the paint with the help of the air compressor. This guy uses an airless sprayer that easily coats the twin door in a matter of seconds.